The Honor Magic 8 Pro represents a bold leap forward in smartphone innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with elegant design. At the heart of its visual experience is a breathtaking 6.8-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate that ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, lifelike color reproduction, and crisp detail for everything from high-end gaming to immersive video playback. Whether you're streaming content or editing photos, the display delivers a level of clarity and responsiveness that stands out even among flagship devices. Performance is another area where the Magic 8 Pro truly shines. Equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, it delivers blazing fast performance, improved AI capabilities, and superior energy efficiency. This advanced chipset ensures that multitasking, high-performance gaming, and intensive applications run smoothly without a hitch. Paired with plenty of RAM and storage options, the device handles everything you throw at it with ease and speed. One of the most remarkable features of the Magic 8 Pro is its enormous 8,500 mAh battery, which offers unparalleled endurance. Whether you're a power user or someone constantly on the go, you'll appreciate the extended usage time this battery provides, often lasting well beyond a full day even under heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, the 240W fast charging technology means you won't be tethered to an outlet for long. In just a few minutes, your phone can be powered up and ready to tackle hours of use, which is a game changer for productivity and convenience. On the photography front, the Honor Magic 8 Pro breaks new ground with its astonishing 300MP main camera. This revolutionary sensor captures images with incredible detail and clarity, allowing for ultra-high-resolution photography that retains sharpness even when cropped or zoomed. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or night scenes, the camera system leverages advanced computational photography to produce stunning results across all lighting conditions. With its combination of a world-class display, powerful next-gen processor, massive battery with ultra-fast charging, and an industry-leading 300MP camera, the Honor Magic 8 Pro is positioned as one of the most ambitious and capable smartphones ever created. It's designed for users who demand the very best in performance, photography, and endurance, pushing the boundaries of what a modern smartphone can achieve.